What's up, GQS Squad? If you would like to see how I achieve this slick back bun, keep on watching. So here I'm starting on freshly washed hair, so I'm going to go ahead and use some oil to moisturize my scalp. I'll usually put in other products when I do this, but I was just going to bed, so I felt like it wasn't really that necessary. I'm going to link this oil down below. So you want to make sure you get it all over your scalp. Make sure that scalp is nice and moisturized. And after you're done, you're going to go ahead and massage it in. Here we are just putting a part down our hair, and we want this part to be defined because I'm going to have a part in my hair. So you want to make sure it's straight as possible. So after you go ahead and get your part all nice and neat, you're going to go ahead and section it however you want, because to be honest, it doesn't really matter. It's all going to go in a ponytail anyways. So I'm just going to section off the top part of my hair into two pieces, so that way it's a little bit easier to detangle. After that, we're just going to go ahead and take a Denman brush, and please don't come for me for the way that I am detangling my hair. I know it is not the proper way to detangle my hair. It was really late at night when I did this, so this is what you get. Don't come for me for this, okay? So here we are. I'm trying to open up this Equal Styler gel because this is what we're going to be using to slick our hair down. I actually don't know what kind this is. I'm gonna link this one down below too. I know it's for like curly hair though, but I start by putting it on the base, or like the root of the hair, and working my way down, making sure each hair strand gets coated. Once you put your product in your hair, you're gonna go ahead and take your Denman brush and just rake that all the way through, just to make sure your product is definitely evenly distributed. You want your product to be evenly distributed, guys. I would usually put it in like a little low pony, but I actually didn't do that this time. So next we're just going to do the same thing to the top, and we're just going to separate this part too. We're going to section off this part as well and do the same thing as we did to the bottom half of our hair. We're going to section, detangle, add our Equal Styling gel, and slick it down like the rest. Again, do not come for me for the way that I am detangling my hair. I promise I do a way better job than this on a regular basis, sort of. I actually really don't do my hair, to be honest, guys. Also, please don't mind my boyfriend in the background. He is working out. I hope he's not a distraction back there. He didn't want to. Well, our gym wasn't open, so he's back there working out. So here we're just going to take our Denman brush and we're going to blend this hair in with the bottom half of the hair. Make sure it's all detangled and all of the product is evenly distributed. Look how slick it is already. Like, oh my gosh. Alright, so now she's just gonna do the same thing to the other side of the hair, literally the exact same way. We're gonna do some bad detangling, and then we're gonna put our Equal Styler gel in, and then we're gonna detangle a little bit more to distribute our Equal Styler gel, and then we're gonna blend it in with the rest. She is rough. Oh my gosh. And I don't think I put in a lot of Equal Styler gel throughout this process. When I tell you guys, I usually just like slap that stuff on my hair. It'd be like the largest, like my whole hand be covered in it. But I don't think I did that this time. Make sure everything is nice and slick down. Get all them nicks and crannies, you know. Rake that thing all the way through. Yeah, girl. Looking like somebody from the 60s. Now we're going to work on the top. And we're going to section this off again because it is thick, especially in the crown area. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and detangle that crown area because we got some thick hair, girl. Like, we can't just be, you know, skipping that part. Look, there she go, doing it right. You got to do this part right. There you go. You start from the ends, work your way up. There you go, girl. Get it in. Yeah. Y'all saw that bounce back though? Can't tell her nothing. Stop looking at us. Do your hair. Y'all saw that glop? That's literally what I do to most of my hair. Work it through them ends, girl. Come on. Where the brush? There we go. Oh, okay. See, now she done messed up. It's fine though. It's fine. You see how sleek? Well, okay, guys. So I just actually got this Denman brush. Like this one. This video was, I want to say, maybe my second or third time actually using this brush, and this Denman brush has literally changed my entire hair game. Like, there is actually like no pulling, no tugging. It doesn't rip my hair out or anything. Y'all see how sleek? Oh my gosh! Look at them curls. Okay. Good. I can't handle it. If y'all don't have one of these and you got some curly thick old hair like I do, y'all need to go ahead and get you one because it's going to change your life. I swear it will. That shrinkage though. Oh my gosh. I want to do like a slick back water wave one time, like a wet look, but I don't think I'll be able to pull that off. At least not yet. Alright, so this is my favorite part because we're almost done. We are almost done. Yeah, finger comb that in. Yeah. Rake it up. Rake it up. Oh, look at that! Oh. Ooh. 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 It's just so slick. Like I don't even know. Like, what the heck? Alright, on to the next. Dang. You put that thing in a knot. Look at that thing, it's stuck. Oh my gosh. Alright, don't you messing it up. There you go. Do it right. Do it right. Stop disappointing these people. You got some good old hair messing it up like that. This is why you got frizz. Y'all see how rough she is? Don't be like me. Be better. Be better than her. She didn't really know what she was doing here, okay? Worry about them edges later, girl, and just get this hair together. Y'all see that? Like, I love how slick it gets. I'm gonna try that water look, guys. Like, or this wet look. Like, y'all don't even know what's coming to y'all. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Let me give me the right outfit. All right, so now we gotta slick it down with this hard bristle brush. Make sure you got you a nice hard bristle brush, cause you need to make sure it's nice and smooth. Pull them hairs out. Yep. Y'all see how smooth? Yes. Smooth that out. Smooth that out, girl. Smooth it. Yeah, this like hair porn right here, y'all. I know those of y'all who like natural hair, like this some major hair porn. Like y'all saw how thick my hair was in the beginning. Now look how smooth. It's not smooth. It's smooth. Like it's so smooth. She got that ear a couple times. Y'all see how red it is? Yep, make sure you go back in with your Denman brush. Get all them the kinks and stuff that built up over time. Yep. Where your bristle brush at, girl? There you go. Smooth that out too. Can't be neglecting it now. Yup. Get it. Get it. Get into it. Get into it. Okay. Y'all see she got a ponytail. Okay, y'all can't tell her nothing. She used to be bald headed, but now she got her some hair. She could put it in a ponytail. Yeah. And it's a low one. Like, y'all really can't tell her nothing. Take your hair tie, wrap that thing around there a couple of times. It's in a little bun. So go ahead and wrap it up in a nice little bun. Yup, it's cute, girl. Okay. Looking like you ready to go see the sergeant in the army. Okay, girl. So she do have some frizz, but we're gonna figure out how to tame that a little later on. Here's our edge control brush, and it's got the brush and the comb as you saw. And now we're just gonna work our way on our edges. Now I just want y'all to know that I really suck at doing my edges. So I'm gonna speed this up a little bit so you guys can see me struggle. Because when I tell you there was a struggle, there was a huge struggle. Okay, here we go. This is where it get a little tricky. This side was hard. When I say it was hard because I covered up most of my edges with all of the my adult hair basically. So that's why you get that little bit right there. We're gonna take these bobby pins and try to pin up some of this frizz. Alright, so now this is where it get a little crazy. So you see her little weird sideburn things here, right? She could have just slicked that back in a ponytail, but no. She wanted to be extra and she wanted to do the little Betty Wop swoopty doop dops. And y'all just gonna see, y'all gonna watch her struggle here. Like, if y'all thought she struggled on them edges, when I tell you it took about an hour just to get this at least semi looking decent, like it was definitely a struggle. So we gonna speed this up for y'all so y'all can watch me struggle here too. She almost had it, but no, that wasn't exactly how she wanted it. That was actually way too far out. She just wanted a simple little swoopty-doop dop. And look, there she go. And we did the other side off camera because y'all don't need to look at me struggle twice. Here we just gonna take our hair scarf just to, you know, hold your hair down and make it a little bit more sleek. Try to tame that frizz, girl. Tame it. Hold them edges down in place. Hold them little Betty Boop swoop the doo bops all the way down. And okay, so now she look a little weird. All right, go ahead, tie that stuff. And then you just gonna leave it on there for however long you desire. I think I left mine on for about 5, 7, 10 minutes. I don't really know. And this is the final look. Like, it's so cute. Oh my god! Just wait till she get her some more hair. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell her nothing. She thinks she a model or something. She look conceited right here. But look how straight this part is. Look how sleek. She even got some waves. She got more waves than your boyfriend. Ooh. All right. Until later, guys. Bree is out.